All right, kids. I definitely already showed you how to do this in class, but just in case you've forgotten, this is how you turn in your project. So let's say I made this beautiful project over how to become a DJ. I've researched it. It looks fabulous. Everything's readable. All my links work. I double checked the rubric to make sure everything was on there, and it is ready to be turned in. Okay? So now I have it open. I'm in edit mode. And I just want to go right up here to the share button. Click that. Now, when you get in here, yours might say only I can view the sharing link. If you copy and paste that link and turn it in, I will not be able to see your project, which means I will not be able to grade it. So you need to click the drop down box and choose anyone can view the sharing link, and then you're going to copy that link. And then you're going to head over to your Google Classroom. Find the assignment, career project infographic, and you're going to turn it in there. Now, my page looks different than yours, so I'm going to go over to where I can turn it in. So I turn things into Mr. Dolezal. So I'm going to go to the assignment, I'm going to open it, and I'm going to say add a link. Then I'm simply going to paste that link into that box and say add link. And wait for a second while it loads the link. Maybe wait for a couple of seconds depending on how slowly your computer is going. And then once that's in there, then I can say turn it in. This is very important. If you don't turn it in, I won't be able to see it. You should see this green check mark and the done up here. And then that's it. You are finished. If you want to come in tomorrow and double check with me to make sure that I can see everything and I can grade it, then feel free to do that. But that's it. It's as simple as that. So I hope everyone is able to make it work tonight. And I'm really excited to see these great projects. Thanks for working so hard, guys.